What's your favorite American restaurant and why does it hold that special place in your heart? Picture the unique ambiance, the aroma of delicious food wafting in the air, and those mouth-watering dishes that make your heart flutter. Now imagine a journey that takes you across the United States, exploring 21 of the most renowned and beloved restaurants. From the culinary prowess of the French Laundry in Yountville, California, to the legendary Creole cuisine at Commander's Palace in New Orleans, Louisiana. We'll dive deep into the heart of Chicago with Geno's East's iconic deep dish pizza and whisk you away to the coastal charm of Mama's Fish House in Paia, Hawaii. Each restaurant on our list is a testament to the diverse and vibrant culinary landscape that exists in our nation, so keep that favorite restaurant in mind as we embark on this culinary journey across the United States. Starting at number 21, we have the French Laundry in Yountville, California. This 3-star Michelin restaurant is synonymous with the pinnacle of French cuisine. It's where the art of cooking meets the art of taste, an exquisite experience that will tantalize your taste buds. Moving eastward, we land in New York City at number 20 per se. This fine dining establishment is a testament to contemporary American cuisine. Every dish is a testament to culinary innovation and the restaurant's commitment to providing a superb dining experience. Next, we stay in the Big Apple for number 19, Katz's Delicatessen. Famous for its classic New York-style deli sandwiches, particularly pastrami on rye, Katz's has been serving up comfort food since 1888. It's a taste of history in every bite. At number 18, we find ourselves in the Windy City at Geno's East. This historic pizzeria is the birthplace of deep dish pizza, a Chicago specialty. Each pizza is a celebration of flavors with layers of cheese, chunky tomato sauce, and a variety of toppings. Heading down to New Orleans, we discover Commander's Palace at number 17. This legendary Creole restaurant offers upscale dining in the heart of the French Quarter. It's a place where the culture and cuisine of New Orleans come alive. And wrapping up the first part of our culinary tour at number 16, we have In-N-Out Burger, located throughout California. This cult favorite fast food chain is known for its quality burgers and secret menu. It's fast food made with care and precision, a testament to the fact that quick meals can also be quality meals. And that's the first part of our culinary tour. Ready for more? Moving on to number 15, we find ourselves at Geno's East in Chicago, Illinois. This historic pizzeria has been serving up delectable deep dish pizza since the 60s. With a rich, buttery crust, chunky tomato sauce, and mountains of cheese, it's no wonder Geno's East has become a Chicago institution. Next, at number 14, we have Commander's Palace in New Orleans, Louisiana. This legendary Creole restaurant offers a taste of the sophisticated South. From turtle soup to Creole bread pudding soufflé, Commander's Palace serves up elegance in every bite. At number 13, we head to the West Coast for In-N-Out Burger. This fast food chain has reached cult status for its simple yet high-quality burgers and secret menu. Whether you're a double-double fan or a protein-style enthusiast, In-N-Out has something for everyone. For number 12, we're back in Texas at Franklin Barbecue in Austin. Famous for its melt-in-your-mouth smoked meats, particularly the brisket, Franklin Barbecue has been a mainstay on the Austin food scene since the early 2000s. If you're a barbecue aficionado, this spot is a must-visit. Last for this segment, but certainly not least, we have Pike Place Chowder in Seattle, Washington at number 11. This small seafood spot, located near the famous Pike Place Market, is renowned for its award-winning clam chowder. With a rich, creamy base and a generous helping of clams, it's a bowl of comfort that's hard to beat. Stay with us as we continue our mouth-watering journey. At number 10, we have the legendary DeFara Pizza in Brooklyn, New York. This classic pizzeria, with its old-school charm, has been serving up some of the city's most delicious pies for over half a century. Each pizza is a masterpiece, crafted with love and tradition. Moving on to number 9, we find ourselves in the vibrant heart of Key West, Florida, at the French Quarter. This seafood haven is famous for its conch fritters and the iconic key lime pie. It's a taste of the tropics, right in your plate. At number 8, we land on the sunny shores of Venice, California, at Gelina. This trendy bistro emphasizes the bounty of local ingredients, creating modern American cuisine with a focus on freshness. It's a must-visit for the food-conscious traveler. Next up, at number 7, we're in the historic city of New Orleans at Antoine's. One of the oldest family-run restaurants in the United States, Antoine's is famed for its Creole cuisine. The experience here is a perfect blend of tradition, ambiance, and culinary excellence. Our number 6 spot takes us to the heart of Boston, Massachusetts at the Union Oyster House. As America's oldest continuously operating restaurant, this place is renowned for its seafood and historic charm. It's a piece of American history, served with a side of clam chowder. We've been on quite a journey, haven't we? From the bustling streets of Brooklyn to the tranquil shores of Key West, from trendy California eateries to historic Southern gems, we've sampled a taste of America's culinary landscape. But hold on to your forks, folks. Are you feeling hungry yet? We're just getting to the top 5. Cracking the top 5, we have Mama's Fish House in Paia, Hawaii. This beachfront gem is celebrated for its fresh seafood and Polynesian-inspired dishes. Imagine dining with a view of the Pacific Ocean while enjoying the catch of the day, brought in by local fishermen and prepared with a tropical twist. It's an experience that's hard to match. Next up at number 4, we're visiting various locations across the country for Shake Shack. This popular fast food chain has made waves with its high-quality burgers, hot dogs, and frozen custard. But it's not just the food that's impressive. Shake Shack has cultivated a community atmosphere that's as inviting as the aroma of their freshly grilled burgers. At number 3, we're heading to Denver, Colorado for Casa Bonita. This is not your average restaurant. Casa Bonita is as famous for its entertaining performances as it is for its Mexican cuisine. From cliff divers to puppet shows, the experience here is a feast for the senses, making every meal a memorable occasion. For the penultimate spot, number 2, we're heading over to Charleston, South Carolina to visit Husk. Renowned for its southern-inspired dishes using locally sourced ingredients, Husk is a testament to the rich culinary heritage of the South. The menu changes daily, depending on the freshest produce and meats available, ensuring a unique dining experience with each visit. We've savored our way from Hawaii to Colorado, with stops in various locations in South Carolina. These restaurants have shown us that there's more to dining than just food. It's about the experience, the atmosphere, and the memories we create. And now for the number 1 spot on our list. And finally, at the top of our list, we have Portillo's in Chicago, Illinois. A beloved institution since the early 1960s, the story of Portillo's is a true tale of the American dream. Its founder, Dick Portillo, started with a humble hot dog stand called the Dog House. Fast forward a few years and a few name changes, and Portillo's has become a cherished part of the Chicago food scene. Now let's talk about the food. Portillo's is famous for its Chicago-style hot dogs, a culinary delight that's a meal in itself. Picture a perfectly cooked all-beef frankfurter nestled in a poppy seed bun. It's then topped with an array of condiments: yellow mustard, bright green relish, freshly chopped onions, juicy red tomato wedges, a crunchy pickle spear, sport peppers, and a dash of celery salt. No ketchup, though. That's a Chicago hot dog rule. But the menu doesn't stop at hot dogs. Portillo's is also renowned for its Italian beef sandwiches. Thinly sliced, seasoned roast beef dripping with juices is piled onto an Italian roll. You can have it dry or wet, depending on how much of that delicious gravy you prefer. And for an added kick, top it with spicy giardiniera or sweet peppers. What sets Portillo's apart is its commitment to quality and tradition. Despite its growth over the years, the restaurant has held on to its roots. Whether you're dining in or driving through, the experience is reminiscent of a classic Chicago street food stand, complete with friendly service and a bustling, energetic atmosphere. It's not just the mouth-watering food that earns Portillo's the top spot on our list. It's the restaurant's rich history, its dedication to providing a consistently excellent dining experience, and its embodiment of the spirit of Chicago. It's more than just a restaurant. It's a piece of living history, a testament to the power of ambition, and a beacon of the city's culinary landscape. There you have it, the top restaurant on our list. From coast to coast, we've explored a diverse range of culinary delights. From the historic pizzerias of New York and Chicago to the upscale dining experiences in California and Las Vegas, we've taken you on a gastronomic journey across the United States, one restaurant at a time. We began with the French Laundry, a culinary gem in California, known for its exquisite French cuisine. Then, we traveled to the heart of New York City to experience per se's contemporary American fare. We savored the classic New York-style deli sandwiches at Katz's Delicatessen and indulged in the deep dish pizza at Gino's East in Chicago. We also ventured into the vibrant French Quarter of New Orleans to visit the legendary Commander's Palace and the historic Antoine's, both famous for their Creole cuisine. We experienced the cult favorite In-N-Out Burger in California and the mouth-watering smoked meats at Franklin Barbecue in Texas. From the award-winning clam chowder at Pike Place Chowder in Seattle to the French haute cuisine at Joel Robuchon in Las Vegas, we showcase the diversity and richness of the American restaurant scene. We also highlighted some unique establishments such as Casa Bonita in Denver, known for its Mexican cuisine and entertaining performances, and Voodoo Donut in Portland, famous for its quirky donut varieties. And let's not forget about the classic American fast food chains like Shake Shack and Portillo's, known for their high-quality burgers and hot dogs, and the high-end Japanese restaurant Nobu in New York City. In our journey, we've seen how each restaurant, be it a family-owned establishment or a Michelin-starred eatery, contributes to the unique and flavorful tapestry of American cuisine. This gastronomic journey has been a testament to the culinary ingenuity and diversity that define the United States. From the freshest seafood and the most tender meats to the most innovative desserts and the most comforting of comfort foods, we've seen it all. No matter where you go in the United States, there's a delicious dining experience waiting for you. Your support means the world to us, and we're cooking up some fantastic content that we can't wait to share with you. By hitting that subscribe button, you're not just joining a channel, you're becoming part of a dynamic family that believes in the power of exploration and learning.